this lesson, we'll learn how to view style presets, create new styles, redefine styles, save styles, create style libraries, and import and export style libraries. Style presets are predefined styles that have been created for you by Fireworks CS6. You can apply any of these styles to objects in your document. To use a style preset, go to the Styles panel. If there aren't any styles applied to the document, you'll not see anything listed in this panel. Click the downward arrow beside Current Document in the Styles panel. Here you can see a list of the categories of style presets that you can use. Let's click on Wood Styles. These are the types of wood styles that you can apply to the object. In our document, we've drawn an arrow shape. We're going to use the pointer tool to select the arrow and then go to the Styles panel. Choose a wood style to apply to the arrow. The predefined style is then added to our arrow. Let's learn to create a button bar that can be used for navigation on a website using predefined styles, as well as other features in Fireworks we've learned throughout the course. To do this, we're going to start out by creating a rounded rectangle shape. Next, we're going to go to Edit, Clone to clone the shape. The cloned shape will appear on the top of the original shape. Use the pointer tool to drag it away. We're going to create 4 buttons. Once we've done that, we're going to press Ctrl or Command A to select all of the buttons. Now we'll go to the Align panel and click the Align Left Edge button. Then click Space Even horizontally. We now have our button bar that is ready for a style. Let's go back to the Styles panel. With all of the buttons selected, choose a style to apply to them. We're going to the Plastic Styles category and applying the 3rd style in the 1st row. Our buttons now look like this. To edit a style, select the object for which you want to edit the applied style. We're going to select one of the buttons in our button bar. Go to the Properties panel. Here you can change things such as the fill or stroke color, the texture, and even the filters that were applied to create the style preset. Let's change the fill color. To save a style, select the object that has the style applied that you want to save. Then go to the Styles panel. Click the Menu Options button in the upper right-hand corner of the panel. Select New Style from the menu. You'll then see the New Style dialog box. Enter a name for the new style and then select the properties that you want saved with the style. Click OK when you're finished. Whenever you apply filters and adjust the properties for objects in your document, you can then save those changes as a style by following the steps that we just learned to save a style. Whenever you save a style that you created, that style can only be applied to that particular document. In other words, the styles you create are document specific. In order to make it so that the styles you create can be applied to any document and even shared with others, you must create a custom style library. To create a custom style library, go to the Styles panel. You'll see the styles that are currently applied in your document. Click the Menu Options button located in the top right corner of the panel. Select Save Style Library. Enter a name for this new library in the File Name field. Then click the Save button. The style library is saved to the Fireworks Styles folder. If you want to share the style library with coworkers or even friends, save the style library again by following the same steps, except this time save the library to your desktop or another location on your computer. You can then email it to anyone with whom you want to share it. Just as you can export a style library and share it with others, you can also import style libraries that others have created. Style libraries always have the extension STL. To import an STL file, go to the Styles panel. Click on the Menu Options button again and select Import Style Library. Locate the STL file, click to select it, and then click the Open button. The library is then imported and ready for you to use.